In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Claude AI desktop app, whether you're using macOS or Windows. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything you need to get started with the application, allowing you to enjoy the robust features that Claude AI offers. Let's begin by downloading the app. You'll need to visit the official Claude Downloads page first. This page will present you with options tailored for your specific operating system, whether that's macOS or Windows. Make sure you pick the version that aligns with your system's requirements. This is crucial as it ensures the app runs smoothly on your device, providing you with the best possible experience. Next up is the installation process. For those of you using macOS, once the download is complete, locate the DMG file in your Downloads folder. Open this file, and you'll be met with a very familiar scenario if you've ever installed apps on a Mac before. Simply drag the Claude application into your Applications folder. This action effectively installs the app on your Mac, making it available for you anytime you need it. Windows users, on the other hand, will follow a slightly different path. After downloading, you'll have an installer file. Run this file, and you will be guided through the installation process with on-screen instructions. These prompts will assist you through each step, ensuring that everything is set up correctly on your system. Now that the application is installed, let's launch it. macOS users can do this by opening the Applications folder and double-clicking on the Claude app icon. On Windows, you'll want to head over to the Start menu. Here, search for Claude and click on the application name to open it. It's a simple process, but ensuring you've installed it correctly beforehand will make this step seamless. Once the app is up and running, you'll be prompted to sign in. If you already have a Claude account, use your existing credentials here. For those who don't have an account yet, don't worry. The app provides an option to create one right there within the interface. Signing in will give you access to all the app's features and any personalized settings you've set up previously. And that wraps up the setup process for the Claude AI desktop app. With these steps, you're ready to explore and utilize all the innovative tools Claude AI has to offer, letting you dive into new projects with ease and efficiency. Thank you for joining me today, and enjoy your journey with Claude AI. Don't forget to check back for more guides and tips on getting the most out of your applications.